Hey, Bobby Crabtree with Colonial Toyota in Milford, Connecticut's #1 buy-in Toyota dealership. You want to see a really cool and exciting video? Take a look at this. What do you think? Pretty cool. Now the greatest thing is these two trucks are available for immediate delivery. You could also bring one of your own trucks in and we can customize that. Or you can walk the inventory, find a new truck on the lot, and we can customize that as well. Come on down to Colonial Toyota.